Welcome to the ultimate guide to visiting New York City. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or an extended stay, we've got everything you need to know. From the best restaurants and hotels to local laws, must-see attractions and travel tips. Stick around till the end for insider advice on what not to do in the Big Apple. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides. Let's start with where to stay. NYC has options for every budget. If you're looking for luxury, check out these 5-star hotels. The Plaza Hotel, iconic, luxurious, and right by Central Park. The Ritz-Carlton, New York Central Park, perfect views and world-class service. The St. Regis, New York, a historic masterpiece with old-world charm. If you're a backpacker or traveling on a budget, here are some youth hostels. Chai NYC Hostel, located on the Upper West Side, clean and social. The local NYC, a great spot in Long Island City with a trendy vibe. Make sure to book in advance, especially in peak seasons. NYC is best explored by foot and subway, but if you need a ride, here's what to know. Taxis. Base fare is around $3 plus about $2.50 per mile. Tipping is expected, 15 to 20%. Uber Lyft, generally more expensive during peak hours. Subway. A single ride is $2.90. And an unlimited 7-day Metro card is around $34. A great deal if you're staying a week. Skip renting a car, traffic is crazy, and parking is a nightmare. Skip airport currency exchanges, they have high fees. Instead use Travelex locations in Midtown, bank ATMs, use your debit card for the best rates, and Currency Exchange International at Rockefeller Center. Most places take credit cards, but small shops and street vendors often prefer cash. Now let's talk about must-visit attractions. You can't leave NYC without seeing Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Take a ferry from Battery Park, One World Trade Center and 9/11's Memorial, a powerful tribute. Times Square, bright lights, street performances, and endless energy. Broadway, always check for current shows. Right now top hits include The Lion King, Hamilton, and Wicked. For history lovers, don't miss Empire State Building for that iconic skyline view. Brooklyn Bridge, walk across for stunning cityscapes. The Met Cloisters, a hidden gem in Upper Manhattan. NYC is an art lover's paradise. Visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met, one of the world's best. The Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, home to Van Gogh's Starry Night. The American Museum of Natural History, perfect for families. For contemporary and street art, check out the Whitney Museum of American Art, Gagosian Gallery in Chelsea, Bushwick's street art scene in Brooklyn. NYC is a year-round destination, but here's what to expect. Spring, March, May. Mild and beautiful, perfect for exploring parks. Summer, June, August, hot and humid, great for rooftop bars, but be ready for crowds. Fall, September, November. Gorgeous foliage in Central Park, a must-see. Winter, December, February, cold and festive. Christmas in NYC is magical, but bundle up. Let's talk food. New York is a melting pot of flavors. Must-try local dishes. NYC Pizza, get a slice at Joe's Pizza. NYC Pizza, get a slice at Prince Street Pizza. Bagels, try Essa Bagel. Bagels, try Russ and Daughters. Pastrami sandwiches, go to Katz's Deli. Cheesecake, try Junior's in Times Square. For fine dining, consider Le Bernardin, which is Michelin-starred seafood. 11 Madison Park, offering a world-class tasting menu. Peter Luger Steakhouse, the legendary Brooklyn Steakhouse. Shopaholics, NYC has it all. Fifth Avenue, designer brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Tiffany's. SoHo, trendy boutiques and unique finds. Brooklyn Flea Market, great for vintage lovers. Chinatown and Canal Street, bargain shopping but beware of knockoffs. Here are some things you should avoid in NYC. Don't stop in the middle of the sidewalk. New Yorkers walk fast. Avoid Times Square restaurants, overpriced tourist traps. Don't fall for street scams, especially people selling fake tickets. Stay out of empty subway cars. There's usually a reason they're empty. Never take an unlicensed cab. Stick to yellow taxis or ride shares. NYC has strict laws on drinking and drugs. No open containers in public. You can't walk around drinking. Legal drinking age is 21. ID is required everywhere. Weed is legal for adults 21 and older, but smoking in public is still tricky. Respect the local rules and you'll have a smooth trip. That's your ultimate guide to NYC. From must-visit landmarks and hidden gems to travel tips and what to avoid, we hope this helps you plan your perfect trip. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below on what you're most excited to see in NYC. See you in the next adventure. Safe travels!